In Chapter 7, we looked at how to use the MIDI matrix to lock various controllers on your MIDI controller keyboard to various parameters in the SAW instrument. In this video, we are going to look at how to use SAW's control link features to quickly link a control to a parameter in the instrument. This is very similar to what we looked at in Chapter 7. However, with the control link feature, you can quickly link, unlink, and edit linked parameters on the fly and with ease, which makes it perfect for writing automation to the instrument's MIDI track. It is very simple to link a control knob from your controller keyboard or any other MIDI controller to a parameter. Start by moving the knob or wheel that you wish to use. In my case, I'm turning a knob on my controller keyboard that sends MIDI controller message 21. As I move it, you'll now notice that the link section along the top of the interface is now showing controller 21. Next, click and adjust the parameter you wish to control. In my case, I will select the LFO speed. The name of the parameter will appear in the column next to the currently selected controller number. When both selections are made, click on the Link button. Now the knob or wheel on your controller will be linked to your desired parameter. So if I was to now turn the knob on my controller keyboard, the LFO speed control also turns. Unlike the MIDI modulation matrix, the linked parameter will always update on screen, so you can see that it is working. If you want to unlink the controller to the parameter, simply adjust the knob or the wheel on your controller to have SAW learn which controller you wish to edit. Then again adjust the parameter so SAW knows which parameter to edit. Then click the Unlink button. The benefit of having controllers linked to parameters on the instrument is to use them to write and record automation data. As a simple demonstration, I have already linked MIDI controller message 21 to my LFO speed parameter. I'm going to hit record to record MIDI events to my host application. As the track is recording, I am going to make some adjustments to the LFO speed via my MIDI controller. After I'm done recording, you can see the automation has been written to the track. As I play it back, you can see the LFO speed parameter moving accordingly. For those that are using SAW in the FL Studio environment, there is a feature to open up an edit window if you wish to manually edit any of the automation you wrote to your track. To do this, simply right-click on the parameter in question. Again, in my case, it is the LFO speed parameter, and select Edit Events. The edit window will open with the graphical representation of the automation. Using the tool within FL Studio, you can then tweak your automation adjustments. Of course, it is possible to write automation without having to link it to a controller. You can simply right-click on any parameter and select Edit Events, and from the empty edit window, begin drawing in your automation. And that takes care of the event and automation chapter, as well as brings us to an end of the SAW video tutorial series. We hope you picked up some valuable tips that will allow you to be more creative with this extremely creative software instrument.